Hi everybody, Danny Clausen here with Sasha Blanchet Real Estate and the Inner Circle team. Today I am joined by Zach Smith from Practically Free Insurance. And Zach is here to tell us today a little bit about what an umbrella policy is. So Zach, can I hand it over to you and tell us a little bit about what an umbrella policy is?
Sure. So an umbrella policy is a liability policy that's going to cover your assets, all of your personal assets, on top of what you're currently insured for with your car insurance, your home insurance, maybe you own a boat or a second house. And if you were to get sued in a car accident or somebody gets hurt at your house, the umbrella will kick in. Typically starts out at about $1 million in coverage after your homeowner's insurance or your auto insurance has been expended.
Okay. And it covers quite a bit of stuff. So who would this policy be best for? Who kind of is the right person that would be looking for this type of policy?
Sure. So say $1 million, a lot of people think, well, I don't need coverage, I don't have a lot of money in the bank. But really anybody who has a little bit higher risk than the average person would. So people with teenage drivers in the household, people who own a house or multiple houses, specifically people who maybe have rental properties. Those are people who have a higher risk of liability. If they were to get sued, they're obviously going to want that additional coverage to make sure that they're protected.
Okay. And I heard you say a couple times they're $1 million. What? That's probably got to be pretty expensive to get that much of insurance.
It sounds like it would be expensive, right, for $1 million, but actually an umbrella policy is around $300 to $350 a year for $1 million in coverage. So for $35 a month, you can get $1 million on top of what you've already insured on your car and on your house to make sure that if something does happen, they're not coming back at your bank account or the equity in your home, etc.
Okay, very cool. Well, Zach, that's great information. Really appreciate it. If the umbrella policy sounds like something that maybe you should have or you're not quite sure about if it would be right for you, Zach's certainly the guy to call. Zach, again, thanks so much for your time. I really appreciate having you here. Danny Clausen again with Sasha Blanchet Real Estate, the Inner Circle team. We'll talk to you again soon.